About this item: official certification by Qualcomm. AINOPE is honored to be a 1% partner of Qualcomm official certification. Additionally, in Qualcomm's approved military-grade laboratory, this QC fast car charger passed testing for fast charging speed, device compatibility, battery health and friendliness, and charging heat dissipation. AINOPE will provide the same quick charging experience as the original charger. Dual ports QC 3.0 fast charging. The new turbocharging technology drives the dual ports to output a total of 36 W of power and enables the device to charge from 0% to 55% in 35 minutes. The smart dual chip ensures that the car charger can simultaneously charge two devices at the speed of QC 3.0, providing 3 times faster charging speed for compatible devices. Please note, although the iPhone does not support QC 3.0, this car charger can still provide fast charging for the iPhone. Full metal mini body and safety guarantee. With a tiny thumb-sized 1.79-inch * 0.94-inch body, the upgraded metal mini USB cigarette charger is safer than plastic and will not burn out. The dual USB car charger features numerous precautions to escort the safety of your electronics by preventing overcurrent and overcharging through multiple safety certifications.